Hi, welcome to my channel. Guys, I forgot to put a wig on and this was when I realized.
Shit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so wig is on. Let's get right into the video. You guys, I've been really obsessed with this Zikel X Colibe palette. It is really my go-to for all things skin routine. This is just me color correcting before I go right in with my foundation. This palette has 4 foundation shades: concealer, contour, and blush. It is literally my go-to palette for when I'm stepping out real quick, and it's medium coverage, so you just know it is a lightweight. Y'all, since I started using a powder puff to blend out my concealer, I have never looked back. This is literally the best technique ever, and it does not pick up product like the sponge does. You guys, get into how beautiful this blend is, and to think this is all from one palette, I am obsessed. Time for the star of the show, which is the eye look. These stickers were honestly pimple patches I got, and they sent me stickers, so I use them for good use. And yeah, they were actually quite easy to stick on. They actually handled the product very well. I didn't have them slipping up or anything. I was really impressed. I mean, I don't know, they expected this to be pimple patch, but it's stickers. Well, my money won't waste, so yeah, my eyes were irritated ASF, so I had to use a cotton swab to, you know, take out product from my eyes.
Let me undress you.
drying up inside. It was really clumpy. I don't even know what was wrong with it, but it was making it really difficult to use, so I had to do the eye look off camera. And I'm just painting inside of the heart with my concealer to make it pop.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
This is the finished look, guys. It's been a while I created something this creative on myself. I'm really obsessed with this. If you like this and you'd like to see me create more looks, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.